It's a Times Now exclusive. If the 2G row has been a thorn in the UPA's flesh, the government could just be heading for more troubled times. Times Now's Navika Kumar has gotten access to a new Finance Ministry note clearly showing there was an interdepartmental clearance 2 days before the 25th March 2G note that raked up a controversy.
It was this moment that made sure that the 2G note controversy died down without proving to be a further embarrassment for the government. For almost 2 weeks, the government was on a firefighting mode after this 2G note became public.
When the Pranab Mukherjee versus P. Chidambaram controversy over the March 25, 2011 note first broke out, the government tried to distance itself from the note, saying that it was the interpretation of a junior official of the Finance Ministry and not the views of the Finance Minister. Now, these new documents challenge that argument of the government. This note of the Finance Ministry dated 23rd of March 2011, 48 hours before the March 25th note was issued, makes 2 points. One, that the government had gone through an interdepartmental consultation process with Cabinet Secretariat, Prime Minister's Office and Ministries of Telecom and Finance involved in that framing of March 25th note. Secondly, that note was at variance with what the government had so far maintained before the PAC and the C&AG, and that this note was signed by Pranab Mukherjee on 23rd of March, only after which it was sent to the junior official to give out the memorandum of March 25th.
With this note showing there was a clear interdepartmental clearance, now the Joint Parliamentary Committee seeks further details.
With these fresh documents now coming out, the Joint Parliamentary Committee into the 2G spectrum scam is now asking questions. First, why did the Finance Ministry and the government not come clean on the March 25, 2011 note? And now, with this March 23rd note, how can the government say that it wasn't backed by the entire government, including Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee? Questions that the government will need to answer. In New Delhi, Navika Kumar for Times Now.